best suit, then hit the avenue, then stroll through the park, mushaboom in the dark. It's funny how they hate the world when they got no style. I'll tame this crocodile, then build a palace on the Nile. Until then, I'm walking down Bloor with the strut, with fire in my eyes and fire in my gut. A fire-eyed boy from Elroy Asteroid, rocking microphones from heaven to Murgatroyd. But wait, can we take the old dirt road, erasing footsteps on the way to the highest abode for show?